Good afternoon. It is May 12th and Megan Mitchell here. I actually told Red that I was not going to do a video today or this week because I am preparing for the end of the school year. I've talked before about being an educator, and this is a really busy time of the year. But I have an honors banquet for the seniors who are graduating, and I have a little bit of time, downtime before I have to be back at the honors banquet. So I wanted to talk about something that has been brought up a few times this week in different ways. Today, Red sort of brought it to the surface in his live, and I don't like to typically address negativity in the sense that, in this journey, there have been many, I want to call them trolls that come out of the woodworks to try to tear down our community. And typically my go-to response is no response. But I read a quote today that says, "Not addressing ignorance is wisdom." And I believe that to be very true. And what I want to say is recently, actually not just recently, but frequently, when I make a video, there will always be a few individuals who come out and search out my videos or my comments on other people's posts and make negative comments about our organization. And my go-to is to not engage with them. So if you're listening and you're one of those people, I am not going to engage with you. And the reason is because, number one, I believe that is really your goal, is to create negative engagement. But number two, we all know that no amount of conversation, whether it is positive or level-headed, is probably going to change your opinion on this whole community. And I'm not sure what that is. I'm not sure if that's because you were involved previously, or if this is just your, this is your thing, is to go out and, look for areas that you can try to rage bait, as the young people say today, someone into an argument with you. First of all, as an overall, just broad engagement in anyone who comments on my content or my comments on other people's content and tries to, engage me with negativity, I'm just going to say this. Number one, if you don't believe in what we are doing and who we are following, you can super easily walk away. And just like you can walk away if you don't believe in it, I can choose to follow and be a part of something that I do believe in, just like the rest of the community who are, loyal followers, loyal people engaging. And, the thing about it is that the best way to, get rid of something is to take away its attention. So if you truly don't believe in it, I believe you would walk away and you would not waste your time or anyone's time trying to bring negativity to what we are doing. I also believe that most of you who are, the people who look for content to engage negatively with or to bring up past experiences in this community, I believe those people are people who are probably not involved now, who are not a member of the Victory with Ash community. And you probably don't have the inside scoop on everything that is happening. So keep in mind that those of us who are close to the community and who are directly involved with Ash probably have a little bit more information than you do, and it is Ash's place to come out with all of that information. So I do want to say that I hope the rest of the community is not confused by these people who clearly have very little to do and have very little, I'm not sure why you would want to waste your time if you don't believe in something. But those of us who are following and who are very engaged, we know what's going on. And we're going to leave it to Ash to come out and address those things when it's legally possible and when he is ready. And I just want to encourage everyone who is, maybe you're not sure about this community and maybe you're not involved. And I want you to be careful about allowing the people who are trolls and who have nothing better to do. You know, we know that human nature is to, we're attracted to negative things. Unfortunately, that's why you see that on the news. But I hope you don't allow those people who are bored or who don't have anything better to do to steer you away from this amazing community. And there's obviously a great deal to be gained from this community in many ways. And all of that will come to fruition and show in the future. So I hope this is encouraging, and I hope that all of those people who, unfortunately, many of them don't have their real names. A lot of them only have maybe 1 or 2 followers. I think they make new accounts just for the purpose of coming out. But, I am intentionally deleting and blocking the negativity because I don't see any reason to address it, because we're not going to agree. Hopefully, this kind of addresses it once and for all. For those of you who are involved and who are looking to be involved, you have come to an amazing place. Reach out to me if you want more information. And I just want to encourage everyone to keep going and stay positive and ignore the haters. Don't give attention.